Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today being Saturday, I usually do more workouts out of my workout routine. Maybe apart from that, I do jumping jacks challenge. I also incorporate other workouts like weightlifting, workout for abs, that is flat tummy workout, and then I also do like squats for the butt. Shebi butt, ike. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So it's basically how to achieve flat tummy with all these workouts, or how to achieve bigger butts with all these workouts. So I'll be doing our 100 jumping jacks challenge, and then other workouts I usually don't do during work days. That is on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the rest of them. I think I'm talking too much, so let's get right into it.
दिल लगी कि तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे दिल लगी कि तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे वफाओं की हमसे सबक हो गई है वफाओं की हमसे सबक हो गई है
Small move, but we don't walk. But levels don't change, nothing is the same. If they see us now, enemies must bow. Then go bow, enemies must bow. See them they bow, then go bow, enemies must bow. They don't get a choice, then go bow, enemies must bow. Now we the rain, then go bow, enemies must bow. Then go bow, then go bow. Enemies must bow. See them they bow. Then go bow. Enemies must bow. They don't get a choice. Then go bow. Enemies
So guys, we are done and dusted from our workouts. Remember that any workout you are done with, make sure you always stretch yourself so that the pain will be reduced. Okay, even if you're going to have the pain, it's going to be reduced. And remember that if you try out any workout,
but levels don't change, nothing is the same. If they see us now, enemies must bow. Then go bow, then go bow. Enemies must bow. See them they bow, then go bow.
the pain will be relieved. But that is the reason why you should always stretch out, do some yoga whenever you're done with your workout, so that the pain will be relieved. So I hope you enjoy this workout series, Saturday workout series. I think I should be doing this every Saturday, at least a full video of workouts you can try out in order to achieve weight loss, or in order to achieve flat tummy, or in order to achieve bigger butts. So I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.